Hi guys, this is Yudhvir and today we're going to talk about a very important topic which is how to uninstall applications fast. This video is for those who uninstall applications regularly and want to access programs and features. So let me start the stream. So normally we go to control panel and then we see all this stuff and then we click on programs and feature, and from here we can install or install any of the application. But if we have to do it regularly, it can become tedious. To avoid that, what you can do is you can click on the start menu and type in appwiz.cpl and hit enter, and it will directly take you to that page. This saves a lot of time, especially if you're working in IT and installing and uninstalling lots of software and you need to go to this page. Hope this helped and have a great day. Bye bye.